What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about Google Lens, what it is and why you should care. Stay tuned. Boys and girls, that video is for you, both of you. Usually I'm making videos for probably most of the time for men audience, but this one will be also for females. So if you wanna know where your friend bought this beautiful purse or something else, this beautiful jacket or those awesome shoes, this video is for you. Also for you guys, if you wanna know how much your wife, girlfriend spent on this new thing, you can easily check out straight away in just few seconds. Guys, there is this app, it's called Google Lens. You can download this for Android or iPhone, and it's freaking amazing. It's on the market for a while now, but I've noticed not many people know about that, and you should start using straight away. I will give you some examples because this app is freaking fantastic. I was testing this for last week or so. So if you wanna know where to buy this purse because you saw this lady in the bus and you were very curious, or those shoes, those fantastic shoes, where did she get those? Or you guys, if you're looking for a part or something very specific, you don't even know how to name it. For example, you're fixing something, this piece is broken and what the heck is that? Use this app. Alright, I will give you some examples where to use it, how to use it. It's very simple. Let's go. Simple test of the water bottle. No problem with that. Another example, my wife's tights. So if you want to know where this girl bought those from, now you know. I tried to check my t-shirt, but because that was a mirror reflection, there was a small issue, but I'm still impressed. Found very similar t-shirts. Costa cup, whatever you want, you will find it. Some perfumes. Have a look, don't be scammed, check the prices. I think this is my favorite example. I went to the store, they showed me this fantastic, Philips shaver, supposed to be massive discount from 300 and something pounds to 184, but when I check on the internet, I found even cheaper. I went to the pet store looking for a few things, so if you want to compare the prices, no issue there. We'll find every single time what you're looking for. I like this example. I made a picture of this parrot and the picture is not even good. Still, no problem with recognizing what kind of parrot is that. So I can imagine you're with your kid somewhere in the woods and your kid is asking you, "Dad, what's that bird?" So no problem there. Just a few seconds later, you know everything. Hinges, whatever you're looking for, the parts. Sometimes I have this problem. English language is my second language. Sometimes I don't know those specific words for something. Now I can just make a picture and I know exactly what it is. Kettlebell. I was wondering how Google Lens will manage to know what it is, and it did fantastic job, because look at that kettlebell. It's old, it's you cannot tell exactly what type of kettlebell it is. Google Lens had no freaking issue with that, found exactly that. Kitchen appliances, no problem with this at all. This example is a bit tricky because I was making picture from really big distance and I was wondering how Google Lens will attack this. I couldn't find exactly the same piece of jewelry, but was freaking very close, so still I am impressed. Rolex, let's have a look. Also another example of long distance. This time no problem at all. In this example, Google Lens had some problems, but when I did another picture from different angle, found in a split of a second. I was wondering how Google Lens will attack the art, and I think it made a really good job. I was wondering what model of this bike is, so I used Google Lens. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider subscribing, and I shall see you next time. Thank you. Bye.